Welcome to JK Studios. So I'm in the middle of the Bharatpur travel. I'm in the bird sanctuary especially. So the thing is, like, I was like, whenever I was sitting for the bird, it will be like hours and hours will pass. Still, the bird is not arrived yet as much as we expected. So the thing in Bharatpur, it's definitely like you can see, like in front of us, all the ducks varieties, cranes and all. So the only thing which I'm missing was is like pelicans. So I came here. I'm dying for pelicans. Okay, the group of pelicans which used to come every year in Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. So that one was missing. Anyway, I'll wait for further more days. Okay, so please do check all the videos in JK Studios YouTube channel. It will be like a couple of days. It will be published. Okay,